just took this nice whitetail here in Missouri. I'm in northeastern Missouri, and got set up in my tree stand. Took me a long time to clear away branches. Thought I was making too much noise. I was sweating. Didn't even put my camo back on because I was just cooling off. And then at 4:10, while I was just relaxing there, saw this bad boy chasing some does and putting his nose to the ground. I grunted a few times. He came in, walked up behind me, and I put the hammer down on him. He went about maybe 50, 60 yards, and here he is. Nice, solid Missouri 10 point. Yeah!